Hi guys, good morning, how are you? Let's going to start with our class today. Bienvenidos chicos, buenos días. Vamos a dar inicio a la clase de hoy. If you already get joined, please write your name and the word I'm here and I'm going to take your assistance, right? Por favor, si ya se unieron, no olviden escribir su nombre y la palabra I'm here para que pueda tomarles la asistencia, right? Thank you so much for coming to today's class. Gracias entonces por haber asistido. Y let's going to start with a warm-up. But I would like that you get joined first to the class. I'm going to give you some minutes, right? So I'm going to wait to you a little minute. Hi Jimena, how are you? Okay, welcome to the class. How are you feeling today? Today we are going to talk about companion adjectives. So if you have a dictionary near to you or if you can have it, it will be good. I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you too. I'm missing the classes, the presential classes, but I'm fine, thank you. Okay, let's going to start. Vamos a dar inicio entonces. And I would like to start um, talking about these questions because I would like to know what do you think about this. Where do you usually go on vacations? What is like your favorite place to go for vacations? Where do you usually go on vacation? For example, when I think on vacation, I just can't think on go to the beach, right? Uh, Stay in the sea, look the sand, feel the breeze, and something like that. So my favorite, or I usually go on vacation for the beach. Uh, where about you? Hi Benicio, how are you? How are you? I'm sorry, I have Jimena, Benicio. Yes, me too. Yeah, I like to go. I don't know why, but one of my favorite places to go is the beach. I like to sit in the sun and feel the breeze. I don't really like to go inside of the sea, but I like to to stay there. Hi Sergio, how are you? Welcome to. We are talking about where do you usually go on vacation. So remember, I would like that you participate on the class so I can take your assistance, right? And I like travel too. Yeah, I like travel too. I would like to go to a place where I can see a good view. For example, go to Panajachel or maybe travel to Monterrico. If we talk about Guatemala, right? So I always like to travel about places where are pools or where are water so I can stay there and go visit my uncles. They say, oh yeah, I don't have uncles here in Guatemala that I could visit because all of them live near to me. So I just moved to another house. Okay, number two. Do you like traveling alone or with family or friends? What do you like to do? With your family, with your friends, or alone? Hi, how are you? Welcome, Alison. It's good to have you here at class. Number two, do you like traveling alone or with your family? In my case, I just travel with my family. I didn't travel with I just traveled with one friend one day. We go to the beach and but I would like to do it with friends and alone. I would like to be a traveler. And I think that I told you that I would like to go with my bag and take something weird and go for the places. With my family and alone, it's saying. Hi, Angel. How are you? Welcome. Hi, Andrea. Welcome too. It's good to have all of you here. So let's going to continue. Question number 3. Think about your last travel experience. Piensen en su última experiencia de viaje. Where did you go? What was the most important thing that you remember about that trip? My last experience about traveling is so weird because the last time that I went on the Sunday, March 15, I think so. No, Saturday 13 or 14 of March. And it was so weird because I remember it too much. Because then when I finished to the day, we with my family and I listened the notice about the first case of coronavirus at home, at here in Guatemala. So we came back home and we didn't stay at the beach. So that's the reason that I remember too much, or the most important thing that I remember about that trip. What about you? Tell me, where did you go and what is the most important thing that you remember? Hi, Rodrigo, how are you? Where do you usually go on vacation? Oh no, sorry. Where do you go? What? Think about your last travel experience. Where did you go? En su último viaje, ¿a dónde fueron? ¿Y qué es lo que más recuerdan o lo más importante que recuerdan de ese viaje? I told you, el último viaje al que fuimos en familia was went to the beach. We went to the beach. And I remember it because it was on Saturday after they say that the first case of coronavirus get joined here to Guatemala. So I remember it too much because we all were worried about that. So we have to come back quickly at home. It says 2 years ago or so, I traveled to the United States and it was my birthday and it was incredible. Oh, good. That's good. Uh, Good one. Did you do with your family or did you do alone? What about you guys? Where did you go and what's the most important thing that you remember? Okay, let's go into. Mientras ustedes me van diciendo ahí sus respuestas, I'm going to move forward. Vamos a ir avanzando. Okay, this week we are going to learn about in our vocabulary we are going to have compound adjectives. Vamos a tener los adjetivos compuestos, right? What are compound adjectives? Son los que se forman de dos palabras, pero en este caso nos vamos a ayudar también del hyphen, que es el guión, para formar adjetivos compuestos. And we have here some examples. Welcome, Abel. How are you? It said the compound adjectives, we often use a hyphen, o sea, un guión, and this helps us to understand that two words are part of the same adjective. Y estas dice nos hace entender que estas dos palabras forman uno solo. Two-seater cars, un carro de 2 asientos. 15-page document, un documento de 15 páginas. Okay, so I don't know if you have questions about this. It said my vacation were fun because we went with friends and we went to the beach of Monte Rico. Ah, that's good. Hi Javier, how are you? Welcome. Okay, so what do you know or what adjectives do you know? Let's going to do this. Match the words below with their synonyms. ¿Sí saben que son sinónimos, right? I want to know Monte Rico. I have never been. I have never been too. It's sad because I didn't meet it. Hola, Miss. Buenas tardes, Victoria. Hi, Victoria. How are you? Or if you are using earphone, sorry for that. Okay, let's go into know the vocabulary. We have this is from the left is our vocabulary and they are their synonyms. Okay, so synonymous. So let's go into move it. World famous. old-fashioned, time-saving, low-priced, densely populated. Not popular and new, not expensive, crowded, quick and helpful, and well-known. So, let me know. There's a lot of words that you didn't understand about this. ¿Hay alguna palabra que no entiendan antes de que hagamos el ejercicio? We have world famous, old-fashioned, time-saving, low-priced, densely populated, not popular and new, not expensive, crowded, quick and helpful, and well-known. Okay, let's go into watch it. It said, ¿qué página es? Creo que es la página, I don't know, let me know. Let me watch. Déjeme ver, ahorita le digo. Página, estamos en la lección 5C. 74, I think so, página 74 de nuestro libro. Helpful es útil. Helpful. Útil o de mucha ayuda, podríamos decir. That is helpful. Okay, remember if you are in the transmission, you're welcome, and you didn't listen your name, si no escucharon su nombre cuando los mencioné, para que no se queden sin los puntos de la asistencia, right? Okay, you're welcome. Okay, world famous, old-fashioned, time-saving, low prices, densely populated. No, this, yeah, I think so. This is in the brochure. Creo que sí está en el folleto, este ejercicio como tal. Hi, Abel. How are you? Let's go into start. World famous. Word, if we have it like a separate words, we can have word, mundo, famous, famoso. So if you join it, remember that English, it doesn't have to be literal, right? You have to try to give sense to the words and you have to try to understand it and try to give the correct translation, right? No, there's no problem. I'm reading, sorry. Dice, no hay problema que le mande mis folletos trabajados virtualmente. No, no los hay. Si ustedes los hacen en digital, no se preocupen, por mí mucho mejor, siempre y cuando los trabajen y estén cumpliendo, claro, con las reglas y los ejercicios, right? ¿Qué número de páginas hay que entregar esta semana? Si no estoy mal, 77, 78 y 79. The ones that you have to work. So let's continue with the world famous, and you have to world famous, mundo y famoso. So world famous means famoso mundialmente o reconocido mundialmente. So what is the synonym? ¿Cuál es el sinónimo de world famous? Tell me, let me know. I don't know. I think that I don't know why always my transmission with you gets low. No sé por qué con ustedes siempre mi transmisión se va como que atrasando. I don't know why. And famous. No es el opuesto, es el sinónimo, el que significa lo mismo pero en otras palabras. En famous sí, o sea, sí está bien el word famous, pero el infamous sería como el opuesto, pero aquí estamos buscando sinónimo, lo que significa igual en palabras diferentes. 77, 78 y 79. Yes, I think so. I don't remember. I will close this. Voy a cerrar este y les voy a decir. No, perdón, me equivoqué. 74, 75 y 76. 74, 75 y 76 para quienes tienen libros son las que vamos a trabajar esta semana. 74, 75 y 76. Well known, I think, dice. Vamos pues. Let's go into do it again. If you are using earphones, sorry. Remember it has a lot of volume. Tiene mucho volumen and I don't know why. Vamos entonces. World famous. Well known. World famous and well known. That's correct. Excellent. Voy a quitarle el volumen. World famous, the synonym is well known. Mundialmente famoso, bien conocido o muy conocido. It can be correct. Old fashioned. Old fashioned. Old es viejo, fashioned es a la moda. So, old fashioned, what could it be? Let me know. Let me know. I'm reading your answers or your messages. You're welcome. So, old-fashioned, not popular and new, not expensive, crowded, quick and helpful. Crowded, it said. Let's go into try. Old-fashioned and crowded. Nope, that's not much. Old-fashioned, not popular and new, not expensive, crowded, ya quedó descartada. Quick and helpful, rápido y útil. Hi Carlos, how are you? Welcome to the class. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Not popular and new. Let's going to try. Not popular and new. That's correct. Old fashioned es como anticuado o viejo, pasado de moda, podríamos decir. But remember that viejo sounds so rude, right? So you have to try to be polite. Tienen que tratar siempre como de ser muy amables porque el viejo suena así como que, ay, muy falta de respeto, right? So it's okay. You have to say, or you can say impopular o anciano, pasado de moda, right? Anticuado, that's correct. Time saving. Time saving. Hi Stephanie, how are you? Don't worry. Welcome to the class. We are talking about compound words o compound nouns. Estamos hablando acerca de sustantivos compuestos o adjetivos compuestos. Time saving is the next one. Sorry. Time, tiempo, saving, ahorrar. Old fashioned with not popular and new. Yes, that's correct. We already matched it. Time saving with quick and helpful. Okay, let's going to try. Time saving, quick and helpful. That's correct. Ahorrador de tiempo, ¿verdad? En este caso, quick and helpful. Rápido y útil. That's correct. Excellent, Carlos. Let's going to continue. Low priced. Low priced. Low es bajo and priced es preciado, podríamos decir, con respecto a dinero, right? Low priced. Priced es como costo o de bajo costo, podríamos decir. Low priced, de bajo costo, de bajo precio. Precios bajos siempre. It's not published. The internet went away and my mission left too late. Yeah, I think so. Don't worry. It can happen in some occasion. Low priced with the number 2, it said. Not expensive, that's correct. Remember that expensive means costoso, caro, right? So not expensive is like the opposite. Not expensive, that's correct. And the last one we have here, densely populated, that means in Spanish, sobrepoblado, right? Or a lot of people, mucha gente. And crowded mean a montonazo de gente. We say it in Spanish like this, but it correctly like sobrepoblado. Too much people, I think so. Densely populated and crowded. That's correct. Crowded. Congratulations. You did it great. So let's going to continue. Questions about the vocabulary, something that you didn't understand. No sé, preguntas o dudas con el vocabulario, algo que no hayan entendido. Vamos con este ejercicio. Este sí lo tienen en su folleto. Entonces, pueden irlo realizando de una vez. Vamos a ir tratando de resolverlo. I will not have volume to this. ¿Qué significa crowded? Dice, crowded significa sobrepoblado o gente en exceso. That means crowded. I don't know if you have seen some videos about Tokyo or Mexico in the streets, en las calles de Tokio y México, donde se ve la gente así cruzarse las calles y hay demasiada gente. A eso es a lo que se le llama sobrepoblado. O crowded in English. Hi, Erika, how are you? Welcome to the class. Let's going to start. A woman in a... Mucha gente, ajá, definitivamente, mucha gente. Let's going to try to do this exercise and I would like that you tell me this exercise. Oh, yes. We have world famous, mundialmente famoso, old-fashioned, anticuado, time-saving, ahorrador de tiempo, low-priced, de bajo costo, densely populated, a lot of people, mucha gente. So, a woman in an... Which one of this? Let's going to try. Remember, I'm taking your assistance by your participations too. Recuérdense que también estoy tomándole las asistencias por las participaciones. No es solo como que se unan a la clase y no escriban y ya, ¿verdad? Let me know. La uno con la última. Dice, we're famous with the last one. We're famous pyramids in Egypt. That's correct. Excellent. Muy bien. Las mundialmente famosas o las muy bien conocidas pirámides en Egipto. Excellent, Javier. Let's go with the next one. Number 2, old-fashioned. La dos con la primera. Try to say it in English. The number 2 with the first one. A woman in an old-fashioned dress. That's correct. Remember, try to complete it at home with your brochure, right? 1 with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we already have done. Ya la hemos hecho. Thank you, Victoria. Number 3, time saving. I have like a lag or something. I have time saving, low priced, and densely populated are the ones that we are missing. Son las que tenemos como pendientes. Densely populated with the second one, it said. Let's going to try. Sobrepoblada o con población de más, that's correct. Densely populated city, Tokyo. Excellent, Jimena, that's correct. Densely populated, it's with Tokyo. Tokyo, Mexico, and New York, I think so, are the densely populated cities around the world. La última con la segunda, we already have done. La última, this one, we already have used it. La dos, densely populated. Densely populated. Remember, densely is writing with S, not with C. Try to have your orthographic mistakes. Low priced with hotel room. Let's go to try. Low priced hotel room. That's correct. Una habitación de hotel a bajo costo. La 3 con la 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is the last one. Esta es la última que tenemos. So I'm going to show you without going down, right? O sin salir. So a woman in an old-fashioned dress. Densely populated city, Tokyo. Time-saving invention, dishwasher. Low-priced hotel room. World-famous pyramid in Egypt. So, questions about the vocabulary words. No sé, preguntas o dudas con respecto a las palabras de vocabulario. Something that you didn't understand about this. Low priced with 4, it said. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, low priced hotel room. La 4 con la 4. Sorry, I was reading your comments. So, let me know if you have time saver. Time saving with invention dishwasher. Time saving invention dishwasher. Yes, un ahorrador de tiempo, una invención o un invento. Lo siento. Ahorrador de tiempo, una lavadora de trastes. Definitely, I would like to have one because I didn't like to wash the dishes. Okay, let's going to continue. Not all good, I think. Okay, that's correct. All good, I think. I like that you think. Okay, that's good. I'm going to close this. I try to leave it you so you can copy it. So, todo claro, that's good. Congratulations. Vamos entonces. Este no lo tienen, lo vamos a trabajar aquí. But I don't know yet if I have time. I have the fourth time, the last time, the last 4 minutes. Tenemos los últimos 4 minutos. And I would like to do this exercise. Delhi is one of the most crowded and also the most old-fashioned cities in the world. Dice que debemos leer las oraciones, encerrar en un círculo y corregir perdón, estaba leyendo la respuesta completa. Dice los adjetivos en cursiva. So I'm going to use my marker. You are going to say me which one is the one that I have to correct and by one you have to change it, right? I'm going to try to move this. Gosh, sorry. I forget that. Vamos pues, entonces voy a tratar de moverlo un poco para acá. So you can read it correctly. Dice, encerrar en un círculo y corregir los adjetivos que están en cursiva. So, let me know, which one is the wrong adjective in this one? ¿Cuál es el adjetivo incorrecto en esta primera oración? I will do the first and you are going to do the last four. Delhi is one of the most crowded and also the most old-fashioned cities in the world. Debemos corregir old-fashioned cities with this one, old-fashioned. So, esta es la que hay que cambiar. ¿Por cuál debemos cambiarla? Oh, I don't know what to. Sorry. Lo siento. In some occasion I get so foolish. Ok, ahora sí. Ya les marqué en amarillo el que debemos cambiar. That is old-fashioned. ¿Por cuál debemos cambiarlo? Si dice sobrepoblada. Miss, excuse me, question. On Friday was their classroom for Zoom that I was trying to enter with the link and never entered. Yeah, we have a class by Zoom. I shared with you the link last time, but I don't know why you can join. I didn't see you, so it was so weird. I don't know what's happening. And I don't know why when I try to show you or talk with you, it gets frozen or something like that. Densely populated, that's correct. Densely populated, that's correct. Let's go with the number 2. You did it great. Lo hicieron bien. Vamos entonces number 2. Every year, thousands of people around the world come to see the low-priced building in the city. Every year, thousands of people around the world come to see the low-priced building in the city. I don't know if you can watch my... Okay, don't worry. In some occasion, it could be happen. I don't know why no se ve la pantalla. Dice, yes, I was thinking on that, but I don't know why. Let me know if you see my screen now. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay, let's go into try to do. Oh, I'm sorry. Ahora creo que sí. I'm sorry. Sorry for that. You know, sometimes we have some technical issues, so sorry for that. I hope that you can see it now. Okay, no sé si ahora sí. Please confirm to me. Confirming me, please, if you can watch it. Yeah, miss. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I think that this will be just the last exercise that we are going to do. Va a ser el último ejercicio que vamos a hacer. So, you already can watch it. Yeah, muy bien. Vamos entonces. Every year, thousands of people around the world come to see the low-priced building in the world. Vamos entonces a cambiar ahora low-priced. Las de bajo costo, los edificios de bajo costo. ¿Por cuál creen ustedes que es la que debemos cambiar? Now Jess dice sí, sí se mira, ya se mira, ya se mira. Thank you so much. Gracias, gracias. Thank you, thank you. Let's go to continue. Vamos entonces, avanzando. Ya les marqué ahí low priced, que es la que debemos cambiar. But I don't know for which one you have to change it. ¿Por cuál debemos cambiarla? Now, yes, dice. Ok, muy bien. Thank you so much for that. Gracias entonces por eso. Low praised. Every year, cada año, thousands of people around the world, miles de personas alrededor del mundo, come to see the low praised buildings and the city. Muchas personas, perdón, o miles de personas vienen a ver los edificios baratos de la ciudad. Do you think that low priced is the correct one? ¿Creen ustedes que low priced sea la correcta? ¿Cuál es la verdadera? ¿O cuál es la que debemos utilizar en este caso? Let me know. Hi, Abby, how are you? I was waiting for you. And you didn't come to the class. Okay. I already have taken 5 minutes. Ya me tomé 5 minutos de más. I'm sorry for that. So, old-fashioned. The old-fashioned buildings, edificios, no, that's not old-fashioned. Bueno, les decía, me tomé ya 5 minutos de más, entonces, let's going to stop here. Vamos a detenernos aquí y vamos a seguir el próximo día de clases, ¿ok? Thank you so much for coming today. Gracias de verdad por haber venido el día de hoy a la clase. Thank you for staying here with me and your participation. I hope that you had a great day. Espero que tengan un buen día, and had a great week and this week. Que tengan de igual manera una buena semana esta semana, ¿verdad? And I would like to watch you on Wednesday. If you have doubts, si tienen preguntas o dudas, pueden resolverlas o escribirlas y las vamos a resolver el día miércoles, ¿ok? Dice, se fue la luz. Definitely. In the screen are you talking about? Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to today's class. Bye. See you on Wednesday.